I have already added the code for settings, and I have added two locations, Eiffel Tower and Madison Square Garden on the top. I have also added a marker and animated the camera to Madison Garden. The first setting here is set indoor enabled. This is the Madison Garden, and let me zoom in a little bit. You can see inside the buildings over here. If we set indoor enabled to false, we can't see the map for inside the buildings anymore. The next thing is set buildings enabled. This one shows top buildings in 3D. Let's zoom out. As you can see, high buildings are in 3D now. If I set that to false, we won't be able to see the high buildings in 3D, and all of them will be in 2D. You can see on the map some green, red, and orange lines. They basically show the traffic. They are the traffic lines. We can hide them by setting traffic enabled to false. On the top left is a compass button. If I click on that, the top of the map will be north and the bottom will be south. It adjusts the rotation and tilt. The next thing is set my location button enabled, which is this button on the top right. If we don't want to see that, we simply need to make this one false. The next thing is set zoom controls, which you can see on the bottom right. These two are part of zoom controls, and we can hide them too. Another thing is set map toolbar. Map toolbar is shown when you click on a marker. You can see two buttons on the bottom right. Which one of them is going to show your location in Google Map, and another one, these blue ones over here, is going to show your direction on Google Map. We can hide that one too by setting map toolbar to false. The next setting is set indoor level picker. Let's zoom in a little bit in Madison Garden, and I am going to change the tilt, zooming a little bit more. Okay, I'm trying to rotate. That's interesting. Okay, here it is. This one is indoor level picker, and these are the floors of Madison building. We can click on them to see the map for each floor that we want. For example, this is the floor 7, and we can click on any of them to see their floor map. We can disable this picker over here by setting indoor level picker to false. The next thing is the gestures. This is the rotation gesture. We can disable that. We can disable the zoom gesture. We can disable the move or scroll gesture. We can disable or enable the tilt gesture. And we can disable all the gestures at once by setting all gestures enabled to false. This is my button location. So if I set my location button enabled to false, this will not be shown anymore. Let's click on that. After clicking on that, we can see our location, and there is a circle that shows our location. We can hide that one too by setting my location enabled on Google Map to false. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, and if you like our videos, please like them or add a comment or share it with your friends.